Hi everyone, we're in our 40s now. I've explained what you're supposed to do in your 20s and 30s, but if you haven't seen that signs of aging, you're going to see it now in your 40s. Because as we get older, our skin cells don't increase as readily. They slow down. We get a buildup of dead skin cells on our skin. We lose the luminosity. We lose that radiance that we had as a teenager. We're going to see loss of elasticity. That elasticity just decreases with time. Skin starts to sag. I'm painting a sad picture, but if you take care of your skin, you could actually look your best and help reverse some of the signs of aging. Okay, as I age, I see it in my own face. My skin starts to fall. I don't have that volume that I had. My skin gets dry. So start out with a good skincare program. Retinol, as I mentioned before, Sobel skin, retinol 4.5% will increase collagen production, give you back that luminosity. It's the one ingredient you must start. Another thing, vitamin C, one of the strongest antioxidants. We make our vitamin C, one of the highest concentrations, 35%, and you're going to use that for brightness, for getting rid of pigmentation, just again making your skin look younger and glow. I also think you should do a glycolic peel, a home peel. We have a 30% home peel, apply it, leave it on for 2 minutes, and wash it off. You should also use an eye cream, oligopeptide, a triple peptide, which is a great ingredients to have. You must have peptides to increase collagen production, to help get rid of the creepiness around your eyes, and you're not going to look 40, you'll look 30 or 25. So start a skincare program. What are the things you need to see your dermatologist about? Okay, as we age, I said we lose volume. You're going to need filler. So you can fill up the cheeks, lift the cheeks, because we lost the elasticity. And Restylane, Juvederm, the all hyaluronic acids are great for doing that. You're going to probably start Botox. You're going to see etchings in your skin. Those 11s, the forehead, crow's feet. So start Botox sooner than later, so you don't have those etchings that you won't be able to get rid of later on. It's easier to prevent than it is to correct. Let's get to the lasers on the face. You're noticing pigmentation. You're noticing fine lines and wrinkles. We have so many different lasers. The Fraxel is great for pigmentation and getting rid of precancers. We have the Vivace, it's microneedling and radio frequency. That's to tighten the skin on the jawline, the face, to lift the skin. Then we have the Cool Peel, which is a CO2 laser. That is great for pigmentation, for tightening the skin, increasing collagen production. These are all the things that slow down when we get older, and that's why our skin sags. So what do we have? Botox in the 40s, injectables, the non-invasive lasers for the face, the non-invasive lasers for the body, and we're ready to get into our 50s, but we're not going to look 50. We're not even going to look 40. We're going to hopefully look 20 or 30.